Hello guys! I would like to share with you our fire dancing experience here in Boracay. Gusto ko lang ipakita kung gaano sila kagagaling. Although dito hindi masyadong clear ang video kasi nga medyo magalaw po. Ayan. So hope you enjoy po. At makita niyo kung gaano sila kagaling sumalo ng kanilang materials at kung gaano sila kagaling mag-exhibition, guys. Ayan. I do hope pag napunta po kayo dito ay experience nyo po rin ito. Nasa V-Hub po ito. Ayan, may mga food and drinks din dito. So, pwede po kayo, habang kayo ay nanonood, ay umorder na kayo ng inyong food or mag-dinner na kayo habang nanonood po ng kanilang show. So, meron tayong 7:30 na show nila at meron din po silang 9 p.m. So, this one was shoot last night, 9 p.m. po yan. Ayun. So, thank you very much. God bless everyone. At meron din kami later after their dancing. Meron din kaming picture and videos with the fire dancers po, guys. So, nasa bandang hulihan po ito. So, watch it na lang po until the end. So, maririnig niyo po yung hiyawan ng mga tao habang nagpe-perform si ate. Ayan na po ang aming interaction with them. Kami po yan.
Okay, hi guys!
Ayan. Ako yung naka-white. Thank you very much for watching. God bless everyone.